Hello friends, my name is Carrie Ann. I am here at an open house at 39 Susannah Court in Lake Junaluska, and I'm going to give you a home tour of this beautiful home. Wasn't she beautiful? This 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom home is ready for you to call her home. She was built in 2004 and she's listed at $675,000. If you want to see her in person, give me a call. Carrie Ann, Realtor with EXP Realty. And next week we'll be back in Hendersonville doing some more home tours there. So thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.